How's your holiday shopping coming along? Is there someone on your list who has you stumped? If so, then we've got an idea that's really special and it won't cost you an arm and a leg. It's homemade chocolates. And if you're thinking, I can't make that, it's time to think again. We start by melting a good amount of chocolate chips along with a bit of coconut oil in the microwave. After giving it a good mix, we fill plastic ice cube trays, about a third full, with the chocolate and pop them in the freezer. After a few minutes, we take them out and tilt the trays so each cube is lined with the chocolate, and back in the freezer they go. Once they firm up, we fill the centers with anything from mini marshmallows or caramel to peanut butter and nuts. Then more chocolate goes on top and we freeze them again. When they firm up, give the tray a slight twist and flip it over. Voila! Fancy chocolates. For an extra festive touch, drizzle them with some white chocolate and top them with some sugar decorations. Imagine how great these would look inside a gift box or on a holiday tray. The recipe for what we call our ice cube chocolates is online now. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a giftable chocolate way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Hey.